Looking for more income. You may be finding this difficult when you are struggling to make ends meet, or if you want to reach your financial goals more quickly. One solution would be short-term income, perhaps picking up a second job for this time period. It's understandable that you need to earn more in order to get by. That's why it's so important for you to have a long-term plan in place. As you're making your plans, think about the tax implications when it comes to receiving an income so that you don't end up owing tax when the year is all over. We here at High5 present 5 solutions to help increase the income over time. Number 1. Opening a business on the side. One way to earn more money is by opening a second business that you enjoy. This might be something you are able to do on the side while working at your day job, but if you put time and energy into it, it may grow into an idea that becomes lucrative. Essentially, you need to find something you're passionate about and start a company around it. Building a business plan is important, and you should make sure your investment in the startup doesn't exceed the earnings. Also, ensure that the requirements of the business do match your skills and interests. If you do open a business similar to what you do for your job, make sure that you avoid any violations and find out in advance if there are any rules about taking clients with you. That way, once your startup is successful, it will continue to be so. Number 2. Increasing your knowledge acumen. One other option is to go back to school. With most degrees, you can increase your earning power within your profession as you move up from bachelor's to master's to a doctorate. However, make sure the degree is in a field that gives a return on investment ROI. It should be, after all, worth the amount of time, money, and effort required out of you, isn't it? Unsurprisingly, many companies offer bonuses for employees who are willing to go back to school. It can make the process of getting an extra degree much easier by eliminating the need for student loans. However, if you're not sure that going back to get an extra degree is the right choice, then it's worth looking into other solutions. It may turn out to be less time-consuming and not so expensive after all, while helping you earn more money, which is your goal to begin with. Number 3. Cash in on your hobbies. You can use the things that you love to do for free time to your advantage. There are a lot of different ways to turn your hobbies into a lucrative side business, and if you're creative, it's possible to make quite a bit of money in your spare time. You can start by opening an Etsy store to sell your creations, isn't it? Keep in mind that it takes time and materials. You can also sell patterns and designs if you come up with them on your own. Another way to profit is create a YouTube channel or show about the hobby. You can demonstrate how to make the items or review the type of items you use often. If your hobby is gaming, you can even create the video walkthroughs with your friends. It might take time to build up a following, but if you are consistent, it will be enjoyable, while bringing in an added source of revenue. That would be the holy grail everyone's after: how to earn while having the time of our life, isn't it? Number 4. Focus on building passive income streams. A great way to increase your monthly income is to build multiple passive income streams. A lot of these involve a blog, website, or YouTube channel that you set up and regularly update with content. It will usually take a while before anything substantial starts coming in. But again, if you're committed and willing to put the time into it, then this could be a great way for that extra money. That's not to take away from the fact that the content should add meaning to others, then only will others view it. To build a successful blog, it's important to find a niche that you're passionate about and invest time into it. You don't need millions of readers either. As long as people feel like they're getting valuable content from your blog, they'll keep coming back. Try looking at all types of social media platforms to reach a larger audience. Remember, there are multiple success stories out there, but even more stories who did not make it as big. Possible reasons could be a lack of adding value to others, simply copying from others, or giving up on the effort thinking everything should be rewarding right from the get-go. Remember, good things take their own sweet time. Passive income is best achieved by building up a solid foundation. This will take some time, but the more content you produce and get out there, the more successful your passive income can be. Building a blog or website would be the easiest to build up such a base, but publishing many books would work just as well to generate an income stream. To summarize, view building passive income streams as long-term projects. To ensure that one is able to sustain and not eventually give up, it should be about something you are really passionate. The enjoyment derived out of your creations would be the driving factor keeping you going. Number 5. Ask for that pending promotion or raise. You could try asking for a promotion or a higher salary, or start looking for a new job at another company. These are all good options for people who want more work experience. Your employer may offer training classes for future managers, or you can pursue further training that helps you increase your skills. Training can greatly impact your continued success at work, so it makes sense to invest in this avenue. Looking for a new job is never easy, but if you feel that you are not making enough money or doing work that does not interest you, then it might be worth your time. Looking for work on a regular basis will provide the opportunity to find something better suited to your skills and personality. That's it from us here at High5 in today's video. If you found the video meaningful and adding value, do like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and comment below the topic you'd like us to make a video on. Your support means everything to us. See you soon.